Next, inductive effect. This is permanent effect. Okay. For example, if you consider a molecule, okay, so 1 chlorobutane is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here chlorine is highly electronegative element. So partial negative charge is present on chlorine and positive charge on the carbon atom. And or positive. Like this. Okay. So due to high electronegativity, chlorine attracts shade pair of electrons towards itself. That's why it possesses the partial negative charge and partial positive charge on the carbon atom. Okay. Then if carbon atom, here carbon atom linked with the another carbon atom which is linked with the chlorine, it is linked with another carbon atom. Okay. So this transmission that continues in the chain. Okay. Transmission of polarization that continues in the chain through the sigma bond. Okay. So carbon atom bonded to chlorine atom that gets bonded with another carbon atom. Okay. So this inductive effect transmitted through the chain. Okay. But here inductive effect, that is less than effect of carbon which is directly linked with the chlorine. Okay. For example, this is C1 carbon and C2 carbon. Okay. So in between C1 and C2, this is less than that of C1 and chlorine. In between C2 and C3, this is less than that of C2 and C1. In between C3 and C4, this is less than. So inductive effect gradually decreases as the distance between the highly electronegative atom and carbon atom increases. Okay. And after C3 carbon, we can neglect this effect. Okay. So here highly electronegative atom is present at the end of the chain. That's why it possesses the partial negative charge and the remaining carbon chain having the partial positive charge. So inductive effect transmitted throughout the chain with the sigma bond polarization. Okay. So that effect gradually decreases as the distance between the electronegative atom and the carbon increases. Okay. Then inductive effect, that is generally in two types: negative inductive effect and positive inductive effect. Okay. First coming to negative inductive effect. Inductive effect. Negative inductive effect, positive inductive effect. Two types of inductive effects. So coming to negative inductive effect. Atoms are groups which attracts electrons more strongly than hydrogen atom. They are called electron withdrawing groups. Generally electron withdrawing groups causes negative inductive effect. Okay. So coming to order of electron withdrawing groups. Okay. In decreasing order of negative inductive effect. So this is the order of electron withdrawing groups. All these are electron withdrawing groups. NH3 plus, NO2, cyanide, SO3 sulfonic acid, aldehydes followed by ketones, acids, acyl chlorides, esters, amides and halogen atoms, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, hydroxyl group, OR, alkoxy, okay, NH2, phenyl and finally hydrogen. Okay, so this is the order with respect to electron withdrawing groups. Next coming to electron negativity. So you know that as electronegativity decreases, inductive effect also decreases. So here negative inductive effect decreases as electronegativity decreases. Negative inductive effect decreases as electronegativity decreases. For example, halogens. Fluorine is more electronegative. Okay. So fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, bromine is greater than iodine. Okay. So iodide ion, that is least electronegative. Okay. Why? Because electronegativity decreases. Minus I effect also decreases. So all these are some other examples. Okay. So which related to electronegativity. Okay. So as electronegativity decreases. Okay. Inductive effect, negative inductive effect also decreases. Next, coming to percentage of S character in hybrid orbital. So with the decreasing percentage of S character, electronegativity also gradually decreases. With that, negative inductive effect also decreases. So this is also decreasing percentage of S character, that is also related with electronegativity. Okay, just now I told you, as electronegativity decreases, negative inductive effect is also decreases. So same thing here also. Okay, this character decreases in hybrid orbitals, negative inductive effect also decreases. Okay, so different examples for this. Okay, next, positive inductive effect. Atoms or groups which attract electrons weaker than hydrogen atom. So there, in negative inductive effect, atoms are groups which attracts electrons more stronger than hydrogen, but here weaker than hydrogen. They are called electron releasing groups. And electron releasing groups generally causes positive inductive effect. Okay? So, decreasing order of positive inductive effect. All these are electron releasing groups. Okay? So, N alkyl, O minus ion and 60A group ions. Okay, selenium, sulfur and oxygen. Okay, and alkyl groups. Alkyl groups are also electron releasing groups. Okay, so positive inductive effect order is like this. Okay, so different examples are. Okay, next coming to applications of inductive effect. Next, applications of inductive effect. First, coming to reactivity of alkyl halides. So generally, the presence of halogen atom in alkyl halide creates a center of low electron density where it gets attacked by negatively charged reagents. Okay? For example, methane is there. Okay? And methyl chloride is there. So here, methane is less reactive than methyl chloride. Why? Because here instead of one hydrogen atom, highly electron negative atom is there. Okay? So this is halogen atom. So presence of halogen atom in the molecule. Okay? It creates a center of low electron density. Okay? And that low electron density point that gets attacked by negatively charged reagents. Okay? Electron density is less means it gets attacked by negatively charged reagents. Okay? So coming to reactivity order. So this is highly reactive due to the presence of halogen atom. Okay? Then coming to reactivity order of alkyl halides. Tertiary alkyl halides are more reactive than secondary. Secondary is more reactive than primary. Primary is more reactive than methyl group. Okay. So reactivity order of alkyl group halides. Tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than, primary is greater than methyl. So this is reactivity of alkyl halides.